Hey guys, welcome to Bonus View Spaces on the official channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about our wheel spacers easy to remove. The back of the spacer has disassembly grooves. You can remove and install it more easily through these grooves. If you want to buy the bonus wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.